Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Pull yourself up a chair, sit down, and let's cook something delicious together. Today we're going to make some bread bowl dip, rye bread dip. So we need 2 cups of mayonnaise, which we have in there. You're going to need 14 ounces of sour cream. You're going to need some fresh dill, some dried beef, parsley, onion, and some Boumonde seasoning, which if you don't have it, there's a video on here on how to make this Boumonde seasoning. You're gonna need a loaf of bread, and that's about it, folks. So we're gonna start with our 2 cups of mayonnaise. I'm gonna add in my sour cream next. Now we have our 2 cups of mayonnaise and our 16 ounces. I misspoke earlier, it's not 14, 16 ounces or 2 cups of sour cream. We're gonna add in our 3 teaspoons of onion. It calls for dried onion. I'm gonna do fresh onion. We chopped our onions up, put them in. Now we're gonna put in 3 teaspoons of fresh dill weed. Fresh dill added. Now 3 teaspoons of parsley. Parsley added. Now 1 teaspoon of the Boumonde seasoning, either that you made yourself or the one from the store that's expensive. And we're gonna take our jar of dried beef. We're gonna open this up, we're gonna lay it out, and we're gonna cut it. So we got that out of that jar. We just kind of smooth it out, lay it down, and now we're gonna cut it up. You can cut it as small as you want. I kind of like pieces like this. I like smaller so that there's more in it. You can put in less. You can rip it. You don't have to cut it. And now we're just gonna add that right to our bowl as well. And we're gonna mix this all together. There you have it. That's the dip already. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 10 to 12 hours. Let all those flavors marry together. Then we're gonna cut our bread bowl and make our bread bowl dip inside. Our dip sat in the refrigerator overnight. Looks and smells delicious. I got a loaf of homemade bread here, and we're gonna cut this down into a bowl. So you scoop it out like that, and then you're gonna take your top and you're gonna cut it up into pieces. You cut that up or tear it up. Now typically you would put this right on in here, but it's 10 o'clock at night and we're just gonna eat this for a snack, and I don't want this to get all soggy. But usually you'd put your dip in here, you'd put your bread around it, and there you'd have it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next time, stay cooking.